Water is more than something we drink. It's the foundation of life, energy, and well-being. Join the Northern Lehigh Bulldogs behind the scenes to see how, when water is done right, it helps us live better every day.
Primo Waters is one of the leading manufacturers in the world of water.
Primo Water is this building
Here in Allentown.
along with multiple across the United States and Canada.
We have a full repertoire of products.
Here we make different sizes. We make purified water, we have spring water, and we have flavored water.
In total, we probably have at least 12 products that I could name in-house.
Everything that we do in this building is start to finish. We create the bottles in-house till they get filled, labeled, packaged, palletized out onto the truck.
The bottle is created actually from a little small piece of plastic called a resin pellet.
So we produce preforms that are blown up into a bottle using heat and pressures.
Preform goes to a blow molder, gets made into the bottle shape.
That empty bottle is filled, capped, and labeled at the filler machine centers.
Packaged, put on a pallet, and out the door.
And that is then distributed to our customers, so the retail chains as well as individual customers.
I can physically see the water shipped here, bottles made, bottles filled, bottles packaged, and out the door on a truck, all within the same day.
Our average production line makes 1,700 bottles per minute.
We are able to run up to 40,000 cases on some lines. Our filtration system here is best in the industry.
We use reverse osmosis,
Carbon tower filtration.
ultraviolet, light.
We can volatile organic compounds that you don't want in water.
To provide clean and healthy water.
I would say the coolest thing that we do here is just knowing that we touch the lives of everyone.
My favorite thing about my job is coming into work and knowing I'm providing a service that will benefit the community.
Each operator, top to bottom, has a hand in quality.
Safety and quality will always be our top priorities.
Primo Brands helps show us how producing quality water is a careful balance of innovation, responsibility, and respect. Healthy hydration isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about fueling our body, supporting our communities, and caring for the planet we all share. After all, thirsty dogs deserve the best water.